Okay, in making hummingbird food, you get a pitcher of 4 cups. You get another pitcher of 1 cup. Because it's 1 part to 4 parts. So you fill this up full with sugar. Fill this up full of water right to the top. Then you make sure that your pan over here is clean. You can't have any soap in any of this stuff. And then you pour your water in, and you from the pitcher here, and you pour your sugar in. Then you must let it boil. You must bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, then you time it 2 minutes. This is serious. You have to time it for 2 minutes, because if you don't, you might get a black mold in your hummingbird food inside your container. And sugar carries a black mold. To destroy the black mold, you bring it to a boil and allow it to boil for 2 full minutes. When it starts to boil, then you use a timer and you time it for 2 minutes. Then you shut it off. Let it sit for a half hour. Pour it back into these 2 containers. These 2 containers. And put it in the refrigerator for another half hour. Then you're ready to fill up your feeders. I never use the red stuff because you don't know what the red dye is. Because it causes cancer in us. What do you think it's going to do to that little bird? Okay? Now you know exactly how to do it. If you don't do it this way, stop feeding hummingbirds. Quite simple. Makes only good sense what I'm talking about. Okay? Now mine's just now starting to come to the boil. So now I'll time it for 2 minutes. But I want to make sure, always, that that black mold is not in there. And believe me, you do it this way, you'll have more hummingbirds than you can shake a stick at. You'll be going, wow, they're all over the place. Look, they're even buzzing my head. And they may even come and get it out of your hand. Once they know you, and they know what you're doing is good. They're not stupid birds, they're pretty smart, like any other animal. We're animals too, and we think, you think they don't? Just because of the size, we've got a computer. Okay? All right.